Google Dorks are advanced search operators used to find specific information on the internet. For Shopify, they help locate stores by targeting Shopify's predictable URL structure. Key operators include cite to limit searches to a specific domain like shopify.com, inURL to find terms in the URL, such as shopify.com/products, inTitle to find pages with specific titles like Shopify Store, and inText to search within the body text, such as finding Powered by Shopify to confirm a store's platform. Combining these, like cite.shopify.com inURL products, pinpoints product pages on Shopify stores. Use to exclude terms such as neural blog to avoid blogs. While effective, remember Google's algorithms are evolving. Start with basic operators, gradually combining them to refine your searches to find what you're looking for. Enhance your Shopify store searches with filters. Use Google's Tools menu, select Anytime, then Custom Range to find recently created stores. Add location country for region-specific results, like cite.shopify.com location USA to focus on US stores. Try Boolean logic using and or not for complex queries, such as cite.shopify.com, dropshipping, or print on demand, to combine search terms. Consider niche specialization, like cite shopify.com sustainable fashion. A practical example is CBD products cite shopify.com, which can expose stores like greenleafcbd.shopify.com. Ethical usage is key. Avoid scraping for spam. While tools may supplement Dorks in the future, manual dorking remains a valuable free entry point for educational and research purposes.